Good afternoon. This is the 16th of January 2019. Currently at West New Britain, Papua New Guinea. This is what you know what's called hot springs. That's right, there's the boys standing at the back, the team. So in life you gotta always try to enjoy yourself, huh? Whether it be just cruising around, whether there be no work. That's what we the team do every now and then. So in 2019, we look forward for all the other projects that's coming up. In the meanwhile, we are on our way to Biala to look for some clean water so we can enjoy ourselves. Island boy, always on the move, adventurous, nothing to lose. Life is too short. Keep moving. GRRS on the move. Boys.
Ano mo kipo daw mo yan
Okay.